You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. The top word is pronounced wreck, which is when you completely destroy something, or a boat, for example, a wreck. The bottom word is wreak. It's also to cause a large amount of damage or harm. Wreak. So, top word pronunciation in English, wreck versus wreak. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.